This is how to derive the half-life formula. N equals n sub naught times 1/2 to the exponent of the quantity time divided by t sub 1/2. N equals the final amount. N sub naught is the original amount. T is the total time. T sub 1/2 is the duration of the half-life. You can pause the video if you want to figure this out for yourself. Otherwise, I'll show what I got in 3, 2, 1. We'll start with some building blocks here and work our way up. T sub 1/2 is the duration of the half-life. We'll call it 3. It could be 3 microseconds or 3 years or whatever. N will equal the number of half-lives. Here we have our first, second, and third half-life. So we take the duration of each half-life times the number of half-lives to give us our total time. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. You can use the formula. N for the number of half-lives times the duration of each half-life will give you the total time. Isolate your N. N will equal total time divided by the duration of the half-life. Remember that N value because I'll use it on the next page. One more set of building blocks here to work our way up to the equation. N sub naught would be the original amount of substance, and then every half-life it gets cut in half. So 16 goes to 8, then 4, then 2. We end up with N as our final amount, which equals 2. You could also say N sub naught is the original amount times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 to get to your final amount. This simplifies to N sub naught times 1/2 to the nth power will give you the final amount. N equals time divided by the time of the half-life. So we end up with the final equation, N sub naught times 1/2 to the quantity of time divided by the time of the half-life, and that'll equal your final amount.